This is magic. From 5k reach to 708k reach in less than 3 months. More than 1 million impressions and gained more than 2500 followers, brand new and already monetizing that audience. On the top of that, got a chance to interview because of this account by in front of 400k audience on Sanja TV Canada. This is big, guys. Today I'm gonna show you how you can, starting as even as a beginner or you're already building the business, some things around content. I'm not gonna go super detailed, but I'm gonna show you some principles of the content, how you can build these things. And something I wanna make it clear. I'm doing this thing for 2 years. It's gonna take some time to get into understanding, but once it hit, you will be a beast. You will be a beast scaling. You can scale any business. You can get clients for any business you want. There is stat in Canada and USA, 90% of the small businesses fail in their first 5 years. What's the reason? The only reason is they don't know how to get clients consistently. And if you have this in your pocket, you can do big stuff. So let's get started. I'm gonna go over key takeaways, how this goes through our system. This is my Instagram account. I will put link in the bio in this video, and you can have a look at this, how I'm building. You can have real examples, things that got viral. So for some videos, it is getting some crazy reach. Like this video got 708k alone. Another video is a cherry on the top. So you don't need many videos too. You don't need that much. People say, you need to put so much volume. You need to be consistent, but it's more about quality, guys. If you are posting volume content and it's getting 22 views, and I've seen people do that, and I'm gonna show you why they get 22 views and why this got some crazy numbers. So let's get it started. So guys, to make it clear, this is a brand new account, like 2779 followers, 89 following. Coach, this is my other venture. I am a licensed financial advisor in Canada. So I did my coaching business for 2 years, and now I'm expanding my personal brand to other ventures. And guess what? I'm using same marketing tactics I'm using to build my coaching business. So even if now you give me a totally different business, I guarantee I can scale that up because I understand the principles. I'm gonna show this to you right now. So, and this is our model. This is our coaching model, and this is how we are doing stuff. You can definitely just back to this model on my Facebook profile pinned post, and I can show you how this model really works and how we are landing $20,000 a month without sales cost. So let's get it started. Key takeaways. Be real. You don't need to be a big hot shot. Guys, I'm just 25, and I can guarantee, especially in this financial advising space, a lot of people are more experienced than me, more than 2 to 3 years more experience, 5 years, 10 years experience than me. But the reason you win is being real, because majority of people are just trying to be the big hot shot. If you be real, okay, what are you learning? What did your journey look like? What have you done so far? Be real with your audience. You don't need to be that big hot shot, and people feel that, people know that, and you have felt that in your life as well. When you see one flaunting their cars and stuff and it's not even theirs, you don't want to work with that kind of person. People want to get help from people who they trust, who they know they will not run away. And they are not just there for the money. There's a biggest cause behind it. And when you show them that, okay, I'm here to stay, I'm here to provide value, and I'm not just gonna go some gimmick techniques that, okay, follow me. I'm gonna give you real value, even if it's not that crazy big numbers and stuff. That's my stand. So for example, I'll give you one example. So this got 739 views, and this got 756. But we need to keep it real if you don't wanna just get followers that don't even buy. So keep it real if you really planning to monetize your audience. You don't need big numbers. You just need good content, good informational, educational content, you're good to go. Share your story and why what are you doing is important to you. Guys, a lot of people think that okay, I will provide value, people will come to me. But there are thousand or more people in your market, in your market. How are you going to differentiate? Why it is important to you? For me, I help people quit their jobs. I want people quit the job, scale their businesses. The reason is that. The reason is, for me, I was an immigrant. I came to Canada from India, from a really small village 6 years ago. And when I started this coaching industry 2 years ago, that was my big why. And why still keep me moving. And that revolves around every single aspect of your business. So for me, quitting my job was so important that is my drive. That I was able to do is I can help more people quit their job, make more money in the business so they can spend more time with their family like I was not able to do. So that was my big reason. Super clear bio. That's a big thing, guys. A lot of people don't even remember this thing. They want to, okay, I'm this, like, be clear what you want to focus on. If you just want to focus on something pretty deep, that's a different thing. Like for me, helping Canadians, so I'm only focused on, if you live in Canada, you are my target market with wealth management. Wealth management, I don't want to work with broke people. I want to work with people who are already making money and want to make their finances better, save their taxes, things like that. And I go more in detail in my content. Serve the best. So this is big, guys. Nobody in this coaching industry, any industry, doesn't talk about this. But if you just master this, you will never run out of clients. I can prove you this today. Serve the client best of your ability, get strong reference, super important. So for example, I will give you one real example. When I started posting content, I got this one client from Toronto. I live in Vancouver, he lives in Toronto. And I can work all around Canada as a licensed advisor. And I got that one client, and now all his friends I got as references. And now his friends, I have references coming. From that one client, I will generate at least $50,000 by end of December. From that one client. So if somebody is telling you that you need to do this, definitely you want new clients every day. But if you do the work that you're supposed to do and you don't forget, clients come here, prospects come here. Clients come here. First thing, my priority for my business is check up on the client first thing in the morning. If client need to know something, let them know. If client there is some update in their thing, let them know. If the client are struggling, help them out as soon as possible, because their results gonna speak for you. Their trust gonna speak for you. This is the big thing, guys. A lot of people break this up. They just think, okay, they want to do the transaction. Okay, I will sell this house, I will sell this coaching, I will sell this program, I will sell this thing. The relationships start when they buy. It doesn't end when they buy. Because think about this. How many people in the world from that 8 billion people in your whole lifetime will trust you with their money? Even if you are biggest sale guy, I guarantee it will be not more than 10,000. I guarantee. You can't even handle if you're selling high ticket, that's for sure. But if you're selling something local, that will be a big number. If you're selling quality people, it will be not 10,000. So you want to give that 10,000 people your best. And this is something no one talks about in the market. I'm coming back to my point. If you're consistent is important, but you don't have to post like 3 posts a day. One is more than enough. Quality over quantity. Like for me, when this was Instagram, like this is my Facebook coaching business, right? So for me, Facebook and YouTube, even if I don't post like 2 videos a day, I post like 1 video a week. But if I give someone a value that, okay, this is really helping someone, this is really, changing lives, this is something, can really help them get the results without even working with me, my job is done. So focus on the quality, not the quantity, especially in the beginning, because in the beginning you're focused on a lot of stuff and people want to feel volume, volume, volume. Don't worry about the volume, focus on the quality. What is the quality? Work on the behind the scenes, work on creating the thing. It can provide more clarity. So creating this, it's all about creating that, higher quality that make your understanding better. Research your competition. This is big, guys. I will give you one example. Research your competition. So I'll give you one example. So this guy, he's in my business too, but he lives in USA. Really good guy, but for me, my thing is little different, right? Like I want to build the trust first and then sell them my strategy, how I can help them save taxes, things like that. So, and this guy is only focused on the business thing. So definitely my competition, but how can I switch it up and make it better? So I still take a lot of suggestions from this guy, see a lot of his content. That's great. But remember this, when you see someone content, add your values onto it. Don't just copy and paste. Learn from people, see your competition. I see this big tangent going on, guys. Some people are just focused on mindset, challenge, this thing, and some people are just focused on business, how to this strategy, but this should be for me, it should, I don't know about you, but for me it should be a mix. Trust people buying your strategy. If people don't trust you, they don't give a anything about your strategy. So remember that. Right now, for me, my main offer in my coaching business is one-on-one mentorship. We have one spot left, and definitely we look at the competition, and that's why we started one-on-one mentorship. That is the big things, guys. When you look at the competition, what can you add to your values? And that's gonna bring you out from the market and keep you like, okay, this person is doing legit stuff. Remember that. Hope this gets you a lot of clarity. If you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out, and I will more than happy. We have crash courses, in detail crash courses, how we do this, how we scale my business $20,000 a month without sales call. We are focusing on this thing too now. So more things will come in this side, how we're scaling our Instagram, how we're scaling my financial advising business. So I'm just building this big personal brand that, okay, Paras Dabra, this is the coaching side, this is the financial investing, financial education side, and we're gonna build this up on my values. Hope this get you a lot of clarity how we got 5K to 708K and more than 1 million impressions in less than 3 months. Guys, hope you get a lot of clarity. If you find this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share this video if you think anybody can get value from this. Have a great day. Bye-bye.